Welcome back to More Stuff Coin Collection channel. It's MCC and I'm thrilled to connect with you once again. This year, we've seen quite a few of releases for wedge-tailed eagle coins. Today, prior to unveiling the star of this episode, let's take a moment to explore the realm of larger sized silver coins, those surpassing the 1 ounce mark. Remember the 1 ounce infused silver coin I introduced in my pilot episode? It attracted quite the attention, and I want to extend a big thank you for your views, likes, and comments. Since then, we've witnessed the launch of a 10-ounce silver infused coin, a striking 5-ounce silver-proof high-relief gilded coin, and now the start of the show, the remarkable 2-ounce silver-proof high-relief gilded coin. What's even more exciting is that this year marks a departure from the past trends. We are witnessing a gilding finish on John Mercantile's Australia wedge-tailed eagle designs for the first time since 2014. With a maximum mintage of 2000, this coin is a truly collector's gem. Apart from high-value collections like gold coins, the releases are flying off the shelves faster than ever before. In fact, the coin I managed to snag disappeared within half a day, highlighting its irresistible desirability. Now let's delve into a visual journey through the larger-than-life Australia wedge-tailed eagle coins released since 2018. These captivating graphs below showcase the evolution of sizes exceeding 1 ounce. The timeline unfolds with an annual unveiling of a 2-ounce, 5-ounce, and 10-ounce coins starting from 2018. Fast forward to 2022, and a striking 1 kilo version made its grand entrance. For 2023, we've already witnessed the trio of sizes. What's on the horizon? Could a 1 kilo version be in the cards for this year? Let's wait and see. Shift our focus to minting techniques. A majority of these coins exhibit high relief proof techniques. Last year, the exciting shift brought us an ultra high relief finish for the 5-ounce coin. Moreover, the 2-ounce, 10-ounce, and 1 kilo version embrace an enhanced reverse proof technique, while proof coins feature a mirror-like background and a frosted design. Reverse proof coins flaunt a frosted background and a mirror-like design. Enhanced reverse proof takes this step further, with multiple polishing rounds enhancing its dazzling shine. This year, an intriguing infused technique takes the spotlight, often complemented by gilding methods that grace the design and rim with a lustrous 24 gold appearance. Turning our attention to maximum mintage, notable changes have occurred. For the 10-ounce coins, the cap was halved from 1,000 to 500 pieces. Similarly, the 5-ounce coin witnessed a reduction from 2,500 to 1,000 pieces. As for the 2-ounce coins, there has been fluctuation, starting at 3,000, dipping to 2,500, further down to 1,500, then resurgent to 2,500 in 2021. Recent year has brought stability, with numbers settling around 2,000 pieces. Hold your breath. I'm about to invite the star of the episode now. Feast your eyes on the 2-ounce proof high-relief gilded wedge-tailed eagle silver coin, minted in the year of 2023. Prepared to be amazed by the sheer beauty and craftsmanship of this stunning coin, struck with 2 ounces of pure silver. It boasts a stunning proof finish that ensures impeccable detailing and a mirror-like surface. The high-relief technique brings the majestic wedge-tailed eagle to life, giving it a 3-dimensional appearance that captivates you. But that's not all. The real highlight of this coin is the selective gilding that adorns the reverse side. The intricate application of 24 karat gold adds a touch of luxury and elegance, enhancing the eagle's majestic presence and making it a standout piece in any collection. Let's take a closer look at this reverse side. The wedge-tailed eagle, Australia's largest bird of prey, soars gracefully across the sky with its wings spread wide. The high-relief design gives the eagle a lifelike appearance. The level of details in the feathers and the gleaming gold accentuates the coin's beauty, truly captivating the spirit of this magnificent creature. On the other side, you'll find the effigy of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, the work of a renowned sculptor, as is customary for coins. However, you may know that it will be replaced by an effigy of King Charles III, perhaps as soon as the upcoming year or even early. The inscription indicates the coin's legal tender status, which further adds to its value and authenticity. Now let's talk about the mintage. The 2-ounce proof high-relief gilded wedge-tailed eagle coin has an extremely limited mintage, making it a rare and sought-after piece for collectors around the world. With a mere 2,000 pieces in circulation, and considering the likelihood that this marks the final appearance of Queen Elizabeth II on the 2-ounce Australian wedge-tailed silver coin, this masterpiece becomes an even more remarkable rarity, destined to be cherished by collectors across generations. So, whether you are a passionate collector, an investor, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the fine craftsmanship, the 2-ounce proof high-relief gilded wedge-tailed eagle silver coin is a must-have addition to your collection. Its striking designs, impeccable quality, and limited availability make it a true standout in the world of numismatics. And here we are again, showcasing yet another gilded proof high-relief silver coin. Just in a short while back, I introduced you to Australia Kookaburra coin, which ignited an inspiration for YouTube Shorts video, now accessible on my channel for those of you who are curious. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of coins. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting coin content. Until next time, happy collecting!